Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas day. I just got the best present I've ever received in my whole life, and it's all thanks to this lady right here. Are you guys ready to see it? I know you are, because you wouldn't have clicked on this video. So this is what she got me. Any guesses on what it is? It's a car part, but does it look like it could be a car part? Because look how flat it is. What could it be? Let's go ahead and open this up. Woo! This is awesome. Holy shit. Do you guys see this? Oh my god. Ooh, look at this nice carbon. If you guys guessed it, it is an APR carbon fiber splitter. I love it. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome. Damn, best girlfriend ever. So if you guys don't know what this is a carbon fiber front splitter, which is going to go under my black pearl bumper. I wish I could install it for you guys in this video, but I can't, unfortunately. I just wanted to show you guys because, dude, this is like the most expensive Christmas present I've ever gotten in my whole life. My plan right now is to save up a little bit of money. I have a shop that could potentially fix all of this, like this gap right here, this gap right here, plus this tab broke even more, and this isn't really holding it up, it's sagging. So I do have a shop in mind that I'm gonna go to. They're gonna try to fix it for me, make new custom brackets and everything, and then they're gonna go ahead and install this as well. Might as well get it done properly. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm so happy that I'm finally able to have this. I always thought the bumper was missing something, and now we're finally gonna complete it. We are going to probably pick this video back up tomorrow because I am gonna go do some crazy stuff tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Good morning. Long time no see. We woke up so early. We're trying to shoot over there, but Chris says that you can get kicked out in like 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, I don't know how much time you need to work your magic, but shit. Yo! That guy seems to be fine with us being here. Spot number 1. We're actually not getting kicked out, so that's pretty damn dope. Dude, you know the spots. This looks sick. If I knew it would have been this cold, I would have brought you gloves. Spot number 2. This is dope. Like, how do you even find spots like this? Unless you go to this mall and you've like parked at every spot. Did we get some successful shots, you think? Pretty spicy. Nice. Dude, thank you again. Thank you for coming out. Guys, hit up Chris if you want photos done. He's currently not in school right now, so he could take some photos right before he gets back in. So I'll leave his Instagram right here. Check him out. All right, guys, finished shooting. It was great seeing Chris again and catching up with him. I feel like I haven't seen him in forever. He's just an awesome dude. Thank you again for shooting, Chris. Now we're at Target. We're at Target because we need to kill time. We're not really that hungry, so we're gonna go run a couple errands real quick. And there's actually something that I've been wanting to get and try to do. So maybe we can do that. Damn, look at that. Clean as a baby's butthole. So your boy got the goods. We got Mentos and some Coke. But what I want to do is try to shoot the Mento into this and see if I can make it. Babe, you think I can do it? Find you someone who supports you 100% like my girl does. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna be doing is trying to shoot these Mentos into this and try to make it blow up. I'm gonna leave it up right here. Just fucking get it. I give up, too high. I'm gonna go down here. That wasn't as fun as I thought it would be, but we did it.
Wow, he actually recycled. Never recycles.
Alright guys, so we're gonna eat first and then I'm going to LA to meet up with a subscriber. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we are in LA and we made it to a tattoo shop. This is Rob. What up, man? Nice to meet you. Finally. What are we doing today, Rob?
We're doing a four-eyed tiger.
So basically, I'm gonna let a subscriber that I've never met before until now tattoo me, which I think is pretty damn cool, and he's a Lexus owner. Woo! Tell me how sick this is. You guys have never seen this, I bet. I've never seen this car, and I've never seen it modded and this clean. Can we get a couple revs?
Yeah, go.
Dude, what engine is in this?
That was like a gallon right there of gas.
V8? Dude, that thing is mean. Dude, thank you. That shit was sick.
Bro, I'm like drooling over here.
This is such a nice shop too.
We don't smoke. We don't. And then like shrank it.
This is perfect. It came out way better than I thought.
Well, don't worry, it's gonna look even better. Like I said, these are just my blueprints.
Yeah.
So I know where my tones, my shades, and everything.
This is so crazy. I haven't gotten a tattoo in like, it's been like a year, huh?
Yeah,
I think it's been like a year since I got a tattoo, so I'm a little nervous. I genuinely enjoy the feeling. Dude, I'm so excited. What do you think?
About what? You getting tattoos?
Yes.
I love your tattoos.
My favorite part about getting tattoos though is basically the vibe that he radiates will make me feel more confident about his work and just in general, like make it more tolerable and kind of fun. And the fact that he's a Lexus owner and he has a car that I never see is so sick. Lexus boys, it has 4 eyes because I can't see. It fills up the arm a lot. We're gonna do some stuff here and some stuff here. Pretty hyped on it. Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
5 whole hours of this, but totally worth it because I wanted to finish it all in one session. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Rob, you killed it. If you guys are out in LA, Southgate, come hit him up, dude. He kills it. Lexus boys, let's get it. Next one, I'm down. Such a long day. You know we cannot end the day without some boba. And we got some shrimp. Huge shout out to you, Chris. Thank you so much for shooting my car. He is my favorite photographer. And huge shout out to Rob. He is now my new favorite tattoo artist. Artist in general. He is so beast and I can't wait to get more tattoos by him. And huge shout out to this one. This little one right here freaking woke up with me at 5 in the morning, rushed getting ready just so we could head over to meet up with Chris, shoot some sunrise photos, and then come with me for a 5-6 hour tattoo. Thank you so much, man. So for the fire photos that Chris shot, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here for you guys. And stay tuned. These photos are the best photos of my car I've ever taken. Well, he's ever taken. Once again, thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it to the end, you are all amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh. Later. Yo, if you guys remember, this is where I had my meet. Let's get it, 2020.